Today I'm reviewing my new thermometer that just came in. It's a meat thermometer. It's used for coffee, whatever you like. And I've actually pulled it out of the box and looked at it first. Now, first off, it feels really good in my hand. I'm going to tell you why I bought this thermometer too. This one here is a Thermopen. I've had that for 20 years and I paid $200 for it. This one here is under $20. And this is extremely accurate, just as accurate as my Thermopen. It's instant read, and some of the features that I really like in this are, I've got a hold button. You open it up, turns on instantly. I do a lot of cooking out here on my ceramic grills and my gas grill. And one of the problems that I have is when I reach inside to put the probe into the meat, it's too hot. So now I can go in and I can just press the hold button, just like that, and it puts it into hold mode, and then you can pull it out and look at it. My expensive thermometer doesn't have a hold button, doesn't have a light. I turn it on, and it reads pretty fast. This has a light on it too, so I'm cooking out here in the dark a lot of the times. And you just press the light button, you can see what that looks like. I like the fact that this is splash proof. It's not waterproof. You can't really say waterproof, but splash proof. It means that if you get some meat or juice or something on it, you can just rinse it off quickly, but don't put it in the dishwasher. It's extremely fast. I checked it with boiling water, and it's very accurate. I like the fact that it has a magnet on the back too, so I can just stick it onto my grill or my smoker. It also comes with a little temperature chart too to help you. It'll give you the temperature for your fish and your chicken, your beef and your pork. So that's a handy little chart that comes with it. Feels really well made. I'm glad that I'm upgrading from my old one that I've had for 20 years. This one still works, but new features. This is a lot better in my opinion. This will be the one that I'll start to use for a quick read thermometer. I'm going to put a link for this thermometer down below in the comments section. Bought it from a store called KKQ. Kind of like barbecue, but BBQ. KKQ. And it's got a little hanging hook here too. Nice easy read. And I like the light a lot. And I like the hold button. Waterproof meat thermometer by KKQ. I like it a lot. I'll give that 5 stars. Thanks for watching.